In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use boards on Adobe Firefly. If you're building a mood board, planning a campaign, or gathering visual inspiration, Firefly's boards give you a simple place to explore ideas and generate cohesive visuals in one workspace. We'll start from a fresh browser and go all the way to generating images based on a prompt, with a few helpful tips along the way. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Adobe Firefly and look for the official Firefly result from Adobe. Click through to the site. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Adobe account to continue so you can access boards and save your work. A stable internet connection will make the experience smoother. On the Firefly homepage, find and select Create a Board. This takes you to the Boards area, designed for organizing ideas and generating visuals in context. Next, choose New Board. This creates a clean blank space where you can bring your concepts together without distractions. Think of it as your creative staging area, perfect for exploring a theme before moving into full design. Inside your new board, look for the option to generate image. Click that to open the generation panel. This is where your prompt becomes the creative direction for Firefly. A good prompt is clear, descriptive, and sets the tone you want. You can include subject matter, style, materials, color palette, and the mood or typography you're aiming for. Commas can help you separate ideas, and strong adjectives will guide the results. For example, try a prompt like a high-fashion design board, bold editorial images, fabric swatches, pastel color palettes, runway silhouettes, and elegant typography. This tells Firefly exactly what kind of references to assemble and the aesthetic to follow. Feel free to adapt the wording to your project by swapping in your preferred style, color range, or theme. When you're ready, click Generate. Firefly will take a moment to process your prompt and then populate your board with images that match your description. If the results aren't quite right, refine your prompt by being more specific about the era, lighting, materials, or composition you want, and generate again. Small tweaks like specifying soft studio lighting with WS minimal serif type images or silk and tweed textures can dramatically sharpen the output. That's all there is to it. You searched for Adobe Firefly, opened the official site, created a board, started a new one, wrote a focused prompt, and generated images that align with your vision. Keep iterating, and soon you'll have a polished board that clearly communicates your direction and inspires your next project.